Want to know how to generate random passwords in Java? So in this video, I will be showing you how to generate a random password with mixed characters just by using Java. First, we create a string with all possible characters, uppercase, lowercase digits, and special symbols. Then we use random class to pick the random characters from that list. So we have been doing it commonly in our previous videos as well. So by looping through the length we want, let's say 10 or 12, we keep appending random characters to form the final password. So as you can see, the result, every run gives you a totally different, strong password ready for use. You can even tweak the length or character types to make it more secure. That's how you build your own password generator in just a few lines of Java. So you can just simply copy up and modify this code by yourself, and you can just run it as well. So to see the results, so your password should be there in a while, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.